Hey guys, it's Miss Strickland. So I'm coming at you from upstairs in the playroom. And as you can see behind me, I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining outside. So obviously, I recorded this last night. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the module introduction, and I'm going to explain a couple of things that you guys need to know for just general knowledge and obviously things for your test. But our whole unit is called Inventors at Work, or our whole module is called Inventors at Work. And so here you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but I have Thomas Edison here and Henry Ford down here on the um, lower right hand side of the screen. And you're going to be reading about them in our first story. But before we do that, I want you to make sure that you have written down in your agenda to study your study guide starting tonight, if you hadn't started already, all the way through the 24th. And then on August 25th, you're going to have your Module 1 Lesson 1 quiz. So if you were not at school yesterday, pause the video and write these down in your agenda. For everybody else, let's move on. Okay, in this module, our essential question is, what kinds of circumstances push people to create new inventions? Inventions are or necessity is the mother of invention. So when we need to figure out a solution to a problem, a lot of times that's how inventions get made. And a lot of the texts that we read throughout this module are going to talk about just that. One thing that I want you to concentrate on is the learning mindset throughout this module. And here she comes. I knew she's going to find me. That's why I came up in the playroom so Ruby wouldn't find me.
I heard you.
I know. Okay, so you got to be quiet because I'm talking to the kids. Okay.
I'm like there.
Okay. So one thing I want you to concentrate on as you work your way through this module with all of the stories is the learning mindset, trying again. It's important to try again when things don't work out the way that we thought that they would. You just can't always give up. You don't want to obsess over ideas, of course, but when things don't work out, try again. And that's our learning mindset. So you'll see examples of this in the stories that we read, and we'll reflect on this learning mindset throughout. Okay, the first big skill is a review skill for you guys, and it's central idea. And you know that the central idea is what the text is mostly about. So if I read a part of a text to you and said, okay, what was that all about? You would tell me, and that would be the central idea. What was the main idea? What was the topic? So when authors write, they usually write about specific ideas, and they support these ideas with details. I should be able to read a text to you, and you should be able to pull out details that support the central idea. Okay, now as we read the story this week, we're going to look for central ideas found throughout the story and details to support those ideas. Okay, so first we are going to start out, that's right, first we're going to start out with a read aloud, and Ruby is actually going to help me with the read aloud.
Yeah.
So I want you to, this video is about to end, and now I want you to go to step 2, and that will take you to the read aloud. And it's about a really cool inventor named Lonnie Johnson. He invented the super soaker. Yeah.
Are you talking to me or your kids?
Because I'm talking to you both.